Hello, my friend. Welcome to Speak Easy English Talks. Today, we're playing the English Shadow game. Can you say it exactly like me? Let's find out. Round 1. The friendly start. Hey, how's it going? Now you repeat. I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Now you repeat. Try to copy my tone and rhythm, not just the words. Round 2, the daily chat. What did you do today? Now you repeat. Oh, I went to the gym and had some coffee. Now you repeat. Now you try. Match my energy. Round 3, sound like a native. Really? That's awesome. Now you repeat. No way. Are you serious? Now you repeat. Can you feel the music in my voice? Round 4, express yourself. That's amazing. Now you repeat. I totally get you. Now you repeat. Yeah, exactly. Now you repeat. You sound great already. Final round, the native flow. Hey, what's up? Now you repeat. Not much, just chilling. Now you repeat. Cool, let's catch up later. Now you repeat. You did it. You spoke like a native. One sentence at a time. Now record your own duet and tag English Shadow Game. And remember, we don't just learn English, we speak it the easy way. See you next time on Speak Easy English Talks.